Embracing growth and courageous living. Scene opens with a person sitting in a dimly lit room, looking sad and unhappy. A beacon of hope appears, however, as another character enters the room. Bob: "Hey, how are you doing?" Sue: "I'm not great, I must admit. I've been feeling really down lately." Bob: "I'm sorry to hear that. Do you want to talk about it?" Sue: "Yeah, that would help. I just don't know what to do anymore." Bob: "I understand. Sometimes it's hard to see a way forward. But remember that you have the power to change things." Sue: "How so?" Bob: "All it takes is a leap of faith and a little courage to start again. You don't have to face everything alone, and you can always seek help from friends, family, or even a professional." Sue: "That's interesting. But how do I do that?" Bob: "It's simple. First, identify what you're afraid of, and then work on overcoming that fear. Next, set realistic goals and break them down into smaller, manageable steps. And finally, don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way." Sue: "I see. You're saying I should just take a chance and try things out." Bob: "That's right. Embrace growth and courageous living, and you'll find that you're able to overcome any obstacle that comes your way." Sue: "Thanks for the advice. It really means a lot to me." Bob: "You're welcome. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to a brighter future." Scene fades out, with the Sue smiling and feeling empowered, as they start to face their challenges with courage and growth.